Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 2 English textbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from unit 5. Modes of transport, and our topic is adjectives. SLOs of this lesson are: identify and match some pairs of describing words showing quality, size and color. Dear students, in this lesson we are going to discuss the adjectives, the describing words. Adjective is a part of speech which describe any noun, person, place or thing. Its color, size and quality. For example, Ali is a good boy. In this sentence, boy is a noun. And which will be the adjective in this sentence? Yes, good. This is the quality of a noun. This word is an adjective and it is describing the noun boy here. It is telling you that the boy is good and describing that quality of boy, that he is a good boy. Good is what? Adjective. Let me give you another example. I have red shirt. Here in this sentence, shirt is a noun. And yes, the adjective color here is red. The word red, the adjective, is describing the shirt noun here. It is telling you its quality, its color, red here. It's a color, adjective of color. Let me give you third example of size. The boy is tall. Here the boy is a noun and tall is an adjective. The word tall is describing or modifying the word boy here, the noun boy here. Tall is an adjective of size and it is describing the boy, that he is tall in size. And I hope you are familiar with the adjectives, the describing words, because we have discussed it in your previous classes too. So let's do the exercise of it. Page number 30 of your textbook. Choose an adjective from the list to describe each of the nouns. We have a list of adjectives here. And let's describe these nouns here with one adjective from that box. A tiger would be a good, white, new, tasty, white or green. Yes, a tiger may be white. B, a friend. Yes, a friend can be good. Good is the quality of the noun friend. Sharpener, a new sharpener. It's again the quality. D, a river. Yes, river might be wide in size. A dinner, what? Yes, it is obvious. Tasty dinner. The taste of it, this taste of noun here, the dinner is noun here. F, a ground. Yes, one option is left for it. Green ground, a grassy ground we can say. The ground is green because of grass. Let's do this one. Encircle the adjectives in the following sentences. You have to encircle the adjectives in the given sentences here. It's very easy. Look here, the A, my mother cooks delicious biryani here. The biryani is a noun and what is an adjective? In this sentence, yes, delicious, quality of noun. B, the sunset was beautiful. Sunset is a noun and which word is describing it? Yes, the beautiful. C, her grandfather lives in an old house. House is a noun and the, yes, old is an adjective which is modifying the house here. The D, my brother does not like loud music. Okay, music is a noun here. And loud is what? Yes, quality of it. It's an adjective. E, there is a red rose in the garden. As I have given you the example of color, the rose is a noun here and the red is quality, an adjective here. F, my hair is long. Hair is a noun and long is an adjective of size here. G, he bought a new bag. Yes, bag is a noun here and new is a quality which is describing the noun bag. This is your class task from Summer Pack, page number 40. Let's do it. It's a fun activity. Write a few sentences to describe the given picture. So we have a picture. And there are 4 persons, a girl, 2 boys, and the girl here again. And you can see here the dishes, yes, delicious dishes. So you have to describe it in adjectives, color, size, quality. Can you describe it? Let's do with me. This girl in the pink scarf looks beautiful. We can see many dishes on the table. How you can add an adjective to this sentence? We can see many delicious dishes on the table. Delicious is what? Yes, an adjective here. Let's describe this girl too. The girl in the pink scarf looking beautiful. Or you can simply write, the girl is wearing a pink scarf. We have 2 adjectives in this sentence, pink and beautiful. The word pink is describing the scarf here. And the word beautiful is describing girl here. Yes. Let's describe this boy here. The boy and white shirt has blue eyes. Can you see? He's wearing white shirt and having blue eyes. We have 2 adjectives in this sentence. White, which is describing the noun shirt, and blue, which is color, which is describing the noun eyes. Now let's describe this dish of pastries here. Can you see the color? Chocolate, white and pink pastries. There are, how many pastries we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are 7 pastries in the dish. They are pink, white, and chocolate in color. There are 7 pastries in the dish. They are pink, white, and chocolate in color. We have 3 adjectives of color here. Let's do the last one here. There is a big ball of rice too. Yes, there is a big ball of rice too. Big is a size which is describing the ball. Can you spot out the ball of rice here? Yes, a yellow custard. And what is this? The beans, brown and red beans. And what are these? These are peanuts. And what are these? A kind of dish, another beans, a mushroom, a roasted chicken. Looks yummy, delicious. And what are these? Candies? A jug of water here. She's wearing blue scarf. He's wearing green t-shirt, having brown hair. This boy is having chocolate color hair. She has a yellow flower on her scarf. There are so many sentences you can think of and write in this activity. Let's do this activity here on page number 41 of your summer pack. This is your class task. Choose the correct option. We have been given 6 questions here. You have to choose the right option for each sentence here. Question number 1. Which of the following is adjective of size? Beautiful is a quality, black is a color, and yes, huge is the right option. Huge means bada. The second one, which of the following is adjective of size? Green, little, strong. Yes, little. The third one, which of the following is adjective of quality here? Wealthy, red, or short. Short is a size, red is a color, and yes, wealthy is a quality here. It is the right option. The fourth one, which of the following is adjective of quality here? Beautiful, red, or short? Yes, it's beautiful. I want you to do the remaining sentences by yourself. Activity 2 here, circle the best adjective to describe the underlined noun. What you need to do, you have to circle this one option here to describe the noun apples here. The apples are what? Cold or red? Yes, of course. They are red in color. The turtle is slow or greedy? These are both adjective of quality here. The turtle is a noun here. So which is the correct option here? Yes, slow. He's very slow. Third one, it was a very day. Cold or broken? Yes, the day can't be broken. The cold is the right option here. The fourth one, Tosif is a strong blue man. Which one is correct here? Strong or blue? A person can't be blue. So, the strong is the right option here. I want you to do these remaining sentences by yourself. Choose the correct option from the bracket. And this is your home task from summer pack. You have to tell the size of this ant, color, and the quantity, and the look, and the taste, and the feel. Page number 43. You have to write about its shape. Which one is correct? Round or triangular? This one, triangular here. How does it move? You have to choose the right option here. And how does it taste? You have to choose the right option here. And this is your homework from textbook. You have to give it a read. This is the text of your unit 5 here, page number 28. आपने क्या करना है? इसको पढ़ना है और इसमें से जितने भी हमने एडजेक्टिव्स आज डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स डिस्कस किए हैं आपने इसमें से अंडरलाइन करने हैं. आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड माई लेसन. थैंक यू.